St. Jago High is represented this evening by Team Captain Janelle Essen, Nathaniel Baker, Kevandra Blake, and Jermaine Miller. While the Manning School is represented by Team Captain Renee Somerville, Rachel Brown, Hassan Smith, and Sierra Hall. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to this first match in round 3 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Manu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's get into the action. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. St. Jago High won and decided to go first. So we begin with St. Jago High. The section lasts for 4 minutes. We have that time on the clock, St. Jago, so we'll begin with physics. What is the name of the branch of physics dealing with the production, transmission, and effects of sound?
Acoustics.
That's right, Manning School. Physics. What is the name for a hypothetical, idealized physical body that completely absorbs all incident electromagnetic radiation, regardless of frequency or angle of incidence?
Black hole.
A black body is what I have. International affairs. A visual clue for St. Jago. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
AJ Banga.
President of the World Bank Group. Correct. International affairs for Manning School. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Island Gold Fudging.
That's correct. President of the Inter-American Development Bank. Spanish for St. Jago. What is the English translation for canto en la ducha?
I sing in the shower.
Very good. Spanish Mannings. What is the English translation for yo juego en la arena?
I play in the sun.
I play in the sun.
Good. Music and audio one for St. Jago. Listen to the following clip. Identify this singer.
If I could get another chance.
That's right. Music from Manning School. Listen to the following clip. Identify this. Snowby by now. Before was Luther Vandross Dance with My Father. Information Technology St. Jago. On a standard keyboard, which 2 keys are used as a shortcut to lock your PC?
Control and L.
A Windows logo key plus L is what I have. Infotech for Mannings. On a standard keyboard, which 2 keys are used as a shortcut to switch between open apps?
Alt tab.
That's right. Theatre and cinema, a visual one for St. Jago. Look at the monitor and give the first and last names of this cartoon and comic strip character.
First and last name.
Comic strip character Archie.
Archie Andrews.
No, it's Reggie Mantle. Theatre and cinema for Mannings. Look at the monitor. Give the first and last names of this cartoon and comic strip character.
Betty Cooper.
That's correct. Both from the Archie comics. Literature for St. Jago. Who is the author of the novel Why I Write?
V.S. Naipaul.
No, it's George Orwell. Literature for Manning School. Who is the author of the novel Eyeless in Gaza?
Aldous Huxley.
That's correct. Sport or visual one for St. Jago. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Simone Biles.
U.S. gymnast. That's right. Sport for Manning School. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Darius Hendricks.
No, that's NFL superstar Lamar Jackson. Jamaican heritage for St. Jago. In the 18th century, the Scotsman Lewis Hutchinson came to Jamaica and lived at the Edinburgh Castle, built on an estate located in the Pedro district of which parish?
Edinburgh Castle, St. Anne.
That's right, Jamaican heritage, Manning School. Former governor of Jamaica, Sir Thomas Modiford, was buried at a tomb at which church in Jamaica?
Which church? St. Peter's Baptist Church. St. Peter's Baptist Church.
No, that's the Spanish Town Cathedral in St. Catherine. French and that. is the bell. That's the end of an exciting opening challenge. Scores in the match look to be St. Jago High on 6 points, Manning School on 5. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Don't go anywhere. School's Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.